to Vintage Variety. I recently ordered a Goodwill BlueBox. Those of you that have watched my content from the past know that I haven't had much luck with these boxes, but I decided to give it another try. And so I'm going to show you everything that was in the box today. I've already sorted through it to keep the content short. I ended up with a bag, and I'll show you. I've bagged all of this up to give away to someone that I know for crafts. This is just all broken bits and pieces, or pieces that are just in really bad condition. So out of a 5-pound box, all of this was no good. I also ended up with a lot of single earring pieces, and I am going to save these for a craft project that I've been collecting pieces for quite some time. I also have a few pieces in here that I'm going to test. I feel pretty positive that they could have gold or silver, and I'll do that in this content also. So this bag wasn't too terribly bad. I feel like I got some really cute pieces from it, and I'm going to sort through these and I'm going to show them to you guys. This first piece is a brooch, and it's in really good condition. No missing rhinestones. And if I'm not mistaken, I believe that this brooch is marked. So it looks like it's marked, but I can't make out the marking even using the loop. This lot also had a ring in it. It's obviously not silver because you can see that there's a little bit of wear here on the back. Still wearable, even with a little wear on it. And this is a bracelet with someone's initial on it. This necklace is more of a fashion piece. It's signed Chicos, and it's in pretty good condition. This is real leather that this is set on. That's how it looks on the form. So not bad. There's not really any wear to it at all. Then we have this silver-toned pendant. This is a cross pendant. So that's rather nice. That would look really pretty on a leather cord. This one I really like, and it turns out that it is signed. Some of you may be able to guess right away who this is by. Vintage 66, Alex and Annie. A lot of the older pieces of Alex and Annie are very collectible, and I think this is a really nice piece. A lot of these pieces that you're seeing here today will be in my jewelry sale. I'll be doing a subscriber appreciation sale. And that's part of the reason why I ordered this box. I wanted to have a really good assortment of items. This is a cute little gold tone and faux pearl bracelet. I really like this piece. This is a glass stone in the center. Show you the back. This looks very modernist to me. A clamper bracelet, again, in really good condition. Another ring. This one's also silver tone, and this ring doesn't have really any wear on it. It's kind of a silver tone, gunmetal type color. I also have this bracelet in it, and usually I don't like this type of bracelet, but this one is really well made. These are glass beads. Another pendant. Also quite a few leather pieces. This piece is leather. It's a leather bracelet. This is also all leather. And these are stacked. Another leather bracelet. I like how it has the centerpiece that blends in with the blue color of the leather. This is a wire wrapped bracelet. I'm pretty sure someone made this, but I feel like they did a relatively good job. Another bracelet. This one has a toggle clasp. Another cross pendant. But one time or the other, this was a Pandora necklace. It's a leather cord, more of a choker type necklace, but you can see that the cord has came out of here. I'm going to see if I can repair this. So I'll set this to the side. Another pendant. Not sure what this one's supposed to be. We have this piece, it's marked with an N. This is more of a fashion statement piece. You can see it has all of these green beads on it. These are plastic. And then it has this wood piece, or a piece that looks like wood in the center. So a little bit of scratching on it. I think this is a piece that could probably be repaired, or someone could do something else with it. So this is another necklace, and I believe these beads, I can't really tell. They feel like they could possibly be glass. This one is also marked. This is Avon. This necklace looks like it's enameled. It's a gold tone. I'm surprised I don't see a marking on this. It is rather cute. This one's done with wire, and these are glass beads. I think this is really pretty. Another wire wrapped piece. This looks like a piece of quartz in the center of it. Really good job on this piece, very artistic. And here are some really good pieces. I felt the best pieces that I got out of this bag. This is a BSK brooch. It's done in a gold tone. There are no rhinestones missing that I can see. And I'll show you the marking on the back. BSK. These are glass faux pearls. And these are actually marked. These are Marvella. There's the marking on those. So these need to be cleaned. They have a little bit of verdigris on them right there. I will definitely clean them before they go into my sale. I've done content on how to clean jewelry, and I will link that below in case you guys are interested in how to get this off of here. These are some really nice vintage Marvella pearls, and for the most part, I feel like they're in really good condition. And this piece looks really like an Irish apfel piece. I don't think it is. There's no marking on it. It's all hearts. This is all done in plastic. So we have black, silver, and gold tone hearts. I'm having to hold this on the form. It's longer than the form that I have, but isn't this awesome, guys? I think this is a really fun statement piece. That was the first pieces that I wanted to show you guys, and now I'm going to sort through this. This is mostly necklaces, and show you guys these pieces. This one has a really large lobster claw clasp on it. But look at this. Is this not pretty? Now, these aren't real pearls. These are faux pearls, but they have that Baroque look to them. I think this is a really pretty necklace. From a distance, it looks just like real pearls. This next necklace is marked BT. Not familiar with that brand. A little bit tangled still, but this is really pretty. I like all of the different combinations of green and then this frosted color that's in this necklace. Another statement piece. Again, this one is unsigned. This one. Is this not adorable? There's a lot of pieces like this that are more modern, and I believe this is one of them. They're copied after a really old vintage piece. I actually have this exact same necklace that is vintage. This is a long necklace, another statement piece. So I'm actually having to hold this on the form. It's probably about 18 to 20 inches long. Another statement piece, and guys, I just adore this one. Isn't this pretty? Now, this one is marked, and I believe it's Charming Charlie. I'll show you the marking on it. But still, it's a very cute necklace. I really like this. It reminds me of a few pieces that I already own. It does have a lobster claw clasp. But isn't this gorgeous? Well, another statement piece. This one is silver tone. And now I'm going to show you the earrings. There were quite a few earrings. A lot of them did not have mates. This pair did. These are silver tone with red stones. These are just adorable. These are silver flowers. They have a center rhinestone, and then they have this shaped bead that dangles off of them. Another pair. And I believe that these are ceramic or glass beads. These are faux coral. And then these are the last two pairs. These are just gold. These are gold tone statement pieces. And then these are silver tone, and these are really pretty, guys. These have enameling on them. Now we're going to test some pieces, and I'm going to start with this little cross. I did test the stones in this, and they are QZs, or cubic zirconia. The bail on this has a marking, and it is really tiny. I could not even make it out with the loop. So we're going to test this and find out sterling or not. It's not a very good scratch. So there's the cross. And now I'm going to do the bail. So it is sterling. I don't know if you guys can see that really well. This little earring is another single, and it says sterling on it. Just to make sure, I am going to test it to see if it's sterling. And hopefully you guys can see the blue glow on there. That piece is definitely sterling. This earring is gorgeous. I was really disappointed that there wasn't another one. And it has some kind of a marking on the inside, but I'm not really sure what that is. It's a rose gold color. So I'm going to test this one. And I'm also going to test this one. Now, these are faux pearls. But I'm just going to test it for the heck of it. I'm going to test these using the 10K solution. And let's just see what happens. I do believe that's really holding up strong, guys. So I do believe that these are just a low carat, probably a 10 karat gold. For once, I feel like I got a halfway decent box. Got a lot of really nice items. I always try to look for items when I'm going to do a subscriber appreciation sale that I can offer to my subscribers at low or reasonable prices, and I feel like I found that in purchasing this lot. So again, a lot of the pieces that you saw today will be in the upcoming subscriber appreciation sale. I want to thank you for taking time out of your day to share these items with me. Please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and ring the bell for notifications on more content about collecting vintage and antique items. Thank you again for watching, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.